If your Fire TV won't turn on and has no power from wall outlet, we are going to fix this dead screen issue right now without buying a new television. This common black screen failure is usually caused by a simple electrical glitch in the internal power supply board, and we can force a manual reset to clear it. First, unplug the main power cable directly from the wall outlet and leave it completely disconnected. While it is unplugged, locate the physical power button on the bottom of the TV frame and hold it down for 30 seconds to drain all remaining electricity from the internal capacitors. If that first step does not clear the error, the issue usually stems deeper in the physical connection, which brings us to method 2. Inspect the power cable for any visible tears and plug it directly into a different wall outlet to work around any faulty surge protectors. Next, pull the batteries out of your remote control and mash every single button to clear stuck signals before trying to power the system back on. These simple steps will safely restore proper voltage delivery and get your television running again immediately.